Slower speeds, reductions in overall driving, and carpooling are ways to decrease fuel consumption and vehicle emissions of greenhouse gases for the average motorist. Achieving similar results for some of the largest concentrations of vehicles on today's roadways without affecting their impact on commerce, trade, and transportation until now was once limited.
It is estimated there are approximately 2.5 million Class 8 trucks on U.S. highways today. In the trucking industry, we rely heavily on bringing goods to the store shelves, to car parking lots, and certainly raw materials for our manufacturing.
Helping to build a sustainable future for the trucking and transportation industry, founded in 1901, Webasto Product North America is an industry leader achieving success with innovations in lower emissions and fuel savings through its idle reduction technology.
For over 50 years, Webasto has provided engine-off comfort and environmental solutions to the global transportation industry, greatly reducing or eliminating the need to idle. Actually, we were green before it was cool to be green.
In many cases today, truck drivers use their tractors for more than just making and earning a living. Idling their tractor to remain comfortable is an unnecessary use of fuel and creates unnecessary emissions.
Established as a vanguard in its own right, Webasto excels at offering smart and affordable engine-off heating and cooling solutions for one of the global trucking industry's most costly and complex issues, unnecessary idling. Advanced engineering designs offer two unique engine-off heating solutions, coolant or air. The coolant heater preheats the engine, eliminating cold starts, while warming the cab's interior. Air heaters provide direct and immediate heat for the cab's bunk. While both options utilize different delivery systems, each maximizes driver comfort in cold environments.
Actually, in both cases, our heaters use less than 20 ounces of fuel for continuous operation in 1 hour. Our heaters are programmable. They time themselves off and on. Certainly, this is an advantageous position for any owner, operator, or fleet manager. Our products provide a quiet, soothing environment, are CARB approved and EPA SmartWay verified.
With its state-of-the-art idle reduction technology for engine-off cooling, concepts such as Blue Cool cold energy storage provides driver comfort regardless of ambient temperature, delivering incredibly efficient output, maximizing cost savings while producing zero emissions.
Our system requires no interaction by the driver while in operation. Webasto this year just released a hybrid option. This hybrid is actually capable of providing continuous cooling capacity uninterrupted for days on end.
Studies of the impact of idle reduction on the environment and reduction in oil consumption confirm that significant reductions of greenhouse gas emissions, costs, and curtailed foreign oil dependency are realistically obtainable with dramatic results.
There's over 7.6 million tons of CO2 released into our atmosphere every year just by use of idling trucks.
Having empowered the global truck market with the tools by which to reduce operating costs, maintenance, and harmful emissions, Webasto next set its sights on providing school bus fleets with similar capabilities and ease of use and reliability, making no less an impact with their Scholastic heating system.
This heater has the capability and capacity to not only heat the engine, but also heats the passenger compartment area as well. This is done through the bus's internal existing heat exchangers. In an industry where you have such a unique duty cycle, we have the ability to create idle reduction without the need for turning the engine and the truck on.
Research and development and the testing and assembly of the over 1 million idle reduction heaters currently in operation worldwide for fleet operators, like that of school buses, are significantly reducing harmful emissions, eliminating exposure to students, teachers, and parents, especially in the case of special needs transportation.
Special need vehicles are in a position where they have another unique duty cycle as the way they operate. Our technologies allow the vehicle to physically be shut off during this period and provide comfort for the passengers while on board.
Vastly contributing towards improved public health by the reduction of harmful emissions, idling elimination will help to decrease ozone and fine particulate exposure. Founded on clean technology, Webasto's fuel-operated heaters are extremely efficient, utilizing cutting-edge technology designed to meet the most stringent air quality standards. Webasto heaters are CARB approved and EPA SmartWay verified idle reduction technology. As expectations for finding additional savings and benefits increases within the global transportation industry, the need for reducing operator idling has never been greater. Webasto helps owner and fleet operators to substantially increase fuel savings, minimize maintenance costs, and potentially eliminate fines.
The social consciousness that can come from just doing the right thing and reducing emissions and our need for fossil fuels is absolutely key to our industry.
As school administrators look to gain control over inflated budgets, simple measures such as idle reduction can yield significant results without any loss in performance, safety, or comfort.
We've met with a fleet of trucks down in Indiana. They upfitted 68 of their tractors with our idle reduction technologies, both heating and cooling. It is estimated that annually they'll save $112,000 just in fuel costs. In many cases, we're able to educate participants for the availability of low-cost governmental loans and/or grants. We are able to even bring participants together to seek and find and develop that fund. This is really a great program working with EPA and their Smart Way along with the Clean School Bus Association.
In its continued efforts to foster a greater awareness for the reduction of harmful emissions, Webasto partners with clean air coalitions and associations to educate communities and businesses of the potential health hazards of unnecessary idling.
As a leader in pioneering idle reduction technologies, offering decreased fuel consumptions, cleaner air, and socially responsible products, Webasto believes that idle reduction technologies will be the future trend that will encompass the global trucking and transportation industries.
For more information on Webasto Product North America Incorporated, visit their website at www.webasto.us.